Welcome to MerryMilo. Let's sing and celebrate.
Bobo the baby climbed aboard a balloon boat tied with a golden cord. It bobbed on bubbles light and high, floating gently through the sky. The sail was stitched with stars so bright, it shimmered soft in morning light. Clouds waved by with cotton sheer as Bobo giggled ear to ear. A bunny in goggles gave a shout, balloon boat sailing all about the docking boats flew by with grace, tossing jelly beans into space. They passed a moon made out of cheese and waved at whales with flying skis. A bear played banjo in the blue, while rainbow birds around them flew. Bobo dropped anchor on a cloud. The giggles there were soft and loud. He shared his snacks with comet mice who danced on ice that smelled like spices. Starlight sparkled on his toes. The balloon boat gently dipped and rose. Bobo yawned and closed his eyes, dreams afloat in candy skies. Comet baby zipper nap on a star slide, glowing bright with hair that sparkles silver blue. She whooshed past clouds of stardust too. She waved at Mars and looped the moon, singing softly a lullaby tune. The stars all danced, the comets cheered as moon mice clapped and space dust veered. Down she slid with a giggly glide, spinning rings on Saturn's side. Her boots went zoom with rainbow spark, lighting trails across the dark. She tossed a hug to Jupiter and blew a kiss to a nebula purr. Astro kittens twirled in space, chasing tails in a bouncy race. She looped and looped past Pluto's glow, giggling in a starry flow. A comet trail wrapped her tight like a glowing scarf of night. Slide curved down through velvet skies to sleepy suns and blinking eyes. She twirled and tucked in Saturn's ring and heard the stars begin to sing. Comet baby, snug and sweet, sail the stars with sleepy feet. Her ride grew soft, the sky turned blue, and morning kissed the world anew. A is for apple, red and round. B is for ball that bounces on the ground. C is for cat with a curly tail. D is for duck with a wobbly wail. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for frog who loves to play. G is for giraffe, so tall and neat. H is for hat on Bella's seat. I is for ice cream, creamy and sweet. J is for jelly that jiggles on a treat. K is for kite that soars up high. L is for lion with a sleepy sigh. M is for moon that shines so bright. N is for nest with birds in flight. O is for owl with wide round eyes. P is for penguin in cold surprise. Q is for queen with a golden crown. R is for rainbow falling down. S is for sun that warms the day. T is for train chugging away. U is for umbrella in the rain. V is for van on a leafy lane. W is for whale who sings a tune. X is for xylophone under the moon. Y is for yak with fuzzy feet. Z is for zebra with stripes so neat. Twinkle toad with a glittery grin hopped in a boat that shimmered thin. A bubble boat, all round and clear, floated gently, soft and near. The stream below went swish and sway as Twinkle giggled all the way. With lily hats and rainbow beams, he sailed through soft and bubbly dreams. Paddled with a leafy oar past dragonflies that twirled and soared. Fish peeked up with bubbly cheeks and gave him tiny playful squeaks. "Hello, moon," Twinkle called as glowing stars above him sprawled. The boat went pop and came back bright with twinkly trails of silvery light. He caught a bubble in mid-air. It sparkled soft with starlight flare. He laughed and bounced from side to side on his dreamy bubble ride. Fireflies danced and frogs all hummed, while sleepy owls just softly strummed. Twinkle sighed with a sleepy float, all snug inside his bubble boat. At last he reached the moonlit shore, with bubble dreams and giggles galore. He yawned and curled without a peep, and floated off to twinkly sleep.
Professor Puff, with his curly white hair, looked at the sky from his floating chair. He opened his book with a thoughtful grin and whispered, "Let the count begin." One little cloud shaped like a sheep drifted by softly, fast asleep. Two puffed hearts came floating through, giggling past the sky so blue. Three cloud ducks went waddling by, waving their wings in the cotton sky. Four cloud cupcakes stacked up high, twisting gently as they passed the pie. 12 cloud stars began to glow, spinning slowly, row by row. 6 big bubbles, round and white, bounced like pillows, soft and light. 7 cloudfish with rainbow tails danced through breezes and told tall tales. 8 cloud boots stomped with pride, marching across the mountainside. 9 cloud kites flew in a race, zipping along in puffy grace. 10 cloud numbers in a row. Baby Roo wore goggles tight. They climbed aboard her ship of light, a rocket red with starry flare, wiggled wings and whooshed the air. In time she gave a shout, 5, 4, 3, let's blast about. With a giggle off she flew into skies of midnight blue. The rocket zipped past mooncake hills through sparkling loops and comet thrills, and it's waved with shiny rings, and meteor birds flap crystal wings. Soon cried Boo with bouncing cheer. Let's visit every star that's near. She flipped and spun past Jupiter's stripe, sipping juice from a space fruit pipe. Astro bears in puffy suits danced and sang on floating flutes. They twirled with Rue and Zero G, all swirling round a starlit sea. Her rocket twinkled rainbow light as she soared through the velvet night. With cozy boots and space knit cap, she flew a loop, then took a nap. The stars hummed low, the moon peeked through and wrapped her up in silver dew. She dreamt of stars and sky so wide, our Rue on her rocket ride.
Clapped her hands and sat on the mat. Today was the day she couldn't evade. It was time to join the shape parade. A circle came first, round and bright, rolling along with pure delight. Then came a square with dancing feet, marching proudly down the street. A triangle twirled with a pointy cheer, spinning fast from far to near. Its three sharp corners shone with pride as Riley clapped and ran beside. A rectangle waved with arms so wide, sliding smoothly side by side. Follow me, it sang with glee as Riley giggled happily. A star burst in with sparkling flare, glowing gently in the air. Shiny and special, Riley cried as it twinkled and twirled by her side. The shapes all circled in a ring. Riley danced and started to sing. Shapes are fun in every way. Let's march again another day.